This is revenge. He killed me the last time, but I'm gonna get him this time. Hey guys, I'm gonna kill him this time.
You think you can do that?
I am on a beach. Now let me cut my gun. Where could he be? So I turned it to machine gun mode. This reminds me of D-Day. He's on a beach, I know that. Machine gun mode though. Hey, is that him? Or is that him? All those ducks. Now let me finish him off.
Alright. I'm hiding as we speak. Fixing to snipe him out. Let me load my gun really quick. Alright guys, ready for this? And now! Got him again! Ouch! Ready? I'm coming for you!
This is my new territory. Wait, is that him trying to break in? Yes, I just gotta get there quick. Machine gun mode. Now! Machine gun mode off.
Hey guys. Turned it on machine gun mode. Oh, look! There he is! Sneak attack. Say a prayer! You gotta beat me.